In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and style your email in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new email, choose a clean layout, customize it to match your brand, and get it ready to send, all with a smooth, confident workflow. Begin on the Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're signed in, look toward the top or left side of the screen for the Create button. This is your starting point for building anything new in Mailchimp. Click Create, and a panel will appear with different options for what you can make. For this walkthrough, choose Email. This tells Mailchimp you're building a standard campaign rather than, say, a landing page or an automated journey. When the email creation flow opens, pick the regular email option. It's the most flexible choice for a one-off campaign and is perfect for newsletters, announcements, or promotions. After selecting that, look for the prompt to design the email and click Design Email. This moves you from the campaign shell into the actual editor where your content and styling come together. You'll now see options for how you want to design your email. Mailchimp typically offers starting points like layouts and themes, along with access to any saved templates you may have. Layouts are a reliable way to get a strong structure in place without overthinking design too early. For a straightforward, professional look, choose a basic layout. This gives you clean sections for headlines, body text, images, and buttons, and it keeps everything responsive on mobile. Take a moment to browse the basic layouts you see. You might find a single column design, a layout with a featured image area, or versions with different content blocks already arranged. Pick the one that best matches the amount of content you plan to include. Once you've made your choice, click Apply. This action loads the layout into the editor and gives you a live canvas to work on. With your layout in place, it's time to design. Click directly into any text block to edit the copy. Keep paragraphs short, use clear headings, and make sure your most important message appears early, ideally in the header area. In the toolbar, choose a readable font, set consistent sizes for headings and body text, and align your text for clarity. For images, drag an image block or click an existing image area to upload. Use high-quality compressed images, add descriptive alt text for accessibility, and keep your image widths reasonable so emails load quickly on mobile data. Bring in your brand colors and logo. You can set background and text colors in the style or design settings so the entire email feels cohesive. For buttons, choose a color with strong contrast. Write action-oriented text like Shop Now or Learn More, and link to the exact page you want readers to visit. Mind your spacing. Add padding around sections so each piece of content has room to breathe. If your layout includes dividers, use them sparingly to separate major sections without creating visual clutter. Pay attention to links and formatting. Turn important phrases into links rather than pasting full URLs. Make sure link colors are legible and consistent. Keep the tone friendly and concise, and avoid large blocks of centered text, which can be hard to read. If your layout supports it, add a small pre-header text block that complements your subject line. This can boost opens. When your design looks the way you want, click Save and Exit. This returns you to the campaign overview while preserving all your edits. From here, review the details, confirm your recipients and subject line, and make sure everything appears as intended. When you're confident it's ready, click Send. Mailchimp will handle the delivery, and your designed email is on its way. That's it, starting from a blank campaign to a polished email that reflects your brand and guides readers to take action. Follow this flow each time, and you'll build consistent professional emails with ease.